Apple's brand new $599 MacBook is completely sold out almost everywhere. And for the last 2 months, everyone just assumed it was because of massive consumer demand. But we got some leaked manufacturing reports, and it turns out there is a massive crisis happening behind closed doors in Cupertino. Apple is literally bleeding money on these budget laptops, and their emergency backup plan is going to force them to release a brand new MacBook Neo S before the end of the year. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Let's talk about the absolute wild success of the original MacBook Neo. When this thing dropped, it completely annihilated the budget PC market. I mean, for $499 with a student education discount, you're getting a remarkably solid Apple machine. Sure, it only has 8 gigs of RAM, the screen does not have ProMotion, and the keyboard does not even light up. But regular buyers do not care. It is exactly half the price of a standard MacBook Air, and it has a shiny Apple logo on the back. But unfortunately, Apple made the device a little too good, and it just backfired on them in the worst way possible. To understand the sheer panic happening at Apple right now, let's take a look at exactly how Taiwan Semiconductor builds the A18 Pro chips. You might remember this exact silicon from the iPhone 16 Pro lineup. Normally, these chips are printed with a premium 5-core graphics setup, but creating microscopic 2-nanometer silicon is definitely not a perfect science. Sometimes the factory messes up, and one of those graphics cores just dies on the assembly line. Normally, a tech company might just scrap the broken chips, but Apple is way too smart for that. They decided to take all of those defective chips, the ones with only 4 working cores, and throw them straight into the new MacBook Neo. It was supposed to be the ultimate cost-saving measure. They get to recycle their broken iPhone chips, and we get a ridiculously cheap laptop. It's a massive win for everybody. But here's where the supply chain leaks get absolutely crazy. The Neo sold so unbelievably fast that Apple completely ran out of their defective chips. They literally ran out of their own recycled trash. So now what happens now? According to incredibly reliable industry insiders, Apple is being forced to manufacture brand new, totally perfect A18 Pro chips. And then they actually have to permanently disable one of the working graphics cores on purpose just to put it inside the budget Neo. It is an absolute manufacturing nightmare. They are spending premium money to make a budget product, and it is severely destroying their profit margins. Tim Cook is definitely not going to let Apple lose money for long, and the leaked documents show exactly how they are going to fix this mess. Get ready to say goodbye to the $599 base model. Apple is reportedly killing off the incredibly cheap version with the standard lock button entirely. Moving forward, they are only going to manufacture the upgraded model. That is the version that comes with 512 gigabytes of storage and a proper Touch ID sensor. They can still maintain a healthy profit margin on that specific configuration. But wait, Apple knows they cannot just quietly raise the entry price of their most popular budget laptop without making the fans absolutely furious. So, they are planning a massive distraction. The reports indicate Apple is going to relaunch the laptop completely. They are going to rebrand it as the MacBook Neo SE, or potentially the MacBook Neo SE. And to make sure nobody complains about the higher price tag, they are bringing in some seriously gorgeous new colors to blind everyone. We don't have the exact Pantone shades yet, but my sources point to some exclusive finishes to make the Neo S look like a totally brand new generation. It is honestly a genius psychological trick. Apple knows that most regular consumers just want the newest, shiniest thing on the shelf. If you slap a new letter on the box and paint it ocean blue, people will happily pay extra. I see the hardcore tech fans in my comments all the time making the exact same argument. They always say, why would anyone buy a Neo when you can grab a refurbished M2 MacBook Air for the same price? The older Air has a backlit keyboard and a much better battery life, and from a pure spec sheet perspective, you guys are completely right. But Apple knows the average buyer does not care about benchmark scores or hunting down refurbished deals on eBay. They just want to walk into an Apple store, point at the pretty new color, and leave with a fresh warranty. So this is where we are at right now. The era of the true $500 MacBook might already be ending, just 2 months after it started. But I want to hear from you guys on this one. Do you think Apple is making the right move by killing the base model to save their profits? And if they drop a MacBook Neo S with Touch ID and a crazy new color, would you actually buy it over an older MacBook Air? Drop all of your hot takes down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that subscribe button so you do not miss the next major Apple leak. Stay safe out there, and I will catch you in the next one.